Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks, alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.7.3 full self-driving software stack. If you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps the crazy YouTube algorithm, and we greatly appreciate it.
Nope. No. Sorry. Because this guy's turning right, and I feel like we're cutting over quite a bit.
We're not, but...
Alright, here we go.
You're a little gun shy today.
Huh?
You're a little gun shy today on the creep limits. I've just noticed.
I don't see the point in needing to creep that far forward. Like, I don't know why, like, that bothers me as much as it does, but...
I've just noticed you're a little gun shy.
Alright, we got the big... You can see them?
Yep.
Harleys. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm at the school and I see all the time kids like almost hitting people that have creeped forward just a little too far.
Yeah, like I said, I just noticed.
Yeah. It's a comfort thing. I think everyone has their own things that they're like,
Mm-hmm.
they do and they don't do.
FSD is going to have to figure it out. I mean, if they're going to call it full self-driving and people are going to sleep in the back seats, they're going to have to figure out what the fuck is going to make people happy, you know?
I think that'll be the question. Is of the two of us, actually I already know the answer before I even finish the question.
You already know the question. You already know the answer to that question. I'll sleep in the back seat with a beanie on, be chilling in the back, smoking a blunt on video. Like, seriously. When full self-driving becomes a reality, such a fucking exciting time. And then it'll probably take you 6 months behind that.
Okay, so let me, for the audience, so I can at least finish the question, because they won't be like, what are they talking about?
No, they're talking about, of the two of us, which is going to be the who's going to be...
Can I say the question? It was my question.
Was I wrong?
No, but can I say it? It was my question.
Go ahead.
Okay, of the two of us, which one will sleep in the back first when they tell you, yeah, it's good to go? So, there was the question. We already know the answer.
I already fly a drone to do FSD at the same time. I'd just like FSD to just, you know...
I actually don't like the heated steering wheel.
Oh my god, I love it.
It's too hot. It makes my hands sweaty.
Well, it has two settings. I like the hot setting.
No, but either one, it's too hot.
Oh my god, I love it.
Although, to be fair, I'm driving around when we have the thing covered and I'm not getting a lot of airflow. So,
yes.
I've only experienced it then. Hey, a Rivian. Right?
Hard to tell from the air. I can't tell. Are they coming at us?
Yeah.
Yeah, R1S.
Yeah.
Oh, coming at us? Yeah, R1S. Tell by the headlights. And then once it passed underneath us and I saw that it was an SUV, I knew that it was the...
You got these?
Yep. I knew that it was the SUV and not the truck.
It's hard to tell, I will be honest, because I always get it confused with the Bronco. The headlights.
They look really similar.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'll give you that.
Alright, once we cross the over, then I will adjust our route. Oh, something happened to their garage door.
Oh, wow.
Alright, you got him?
Yep.
They're definitely hard to see at this time of year.
Just depends on the angle.
Right. And trip. Done. There we go. I always think of James May in the RV episode where he's like, I can't do this.
I got that rattle. If I could figure that rattle out, I'd be thrilled.
Kind of like the seatbelt one in RC.
The seatbelt one in RC doesn't really bother me. I've played around with that one enough.
That's the only rattle that bothers me, and I think it's because it's
right
right
next to you.
here. Yeah.
Trust me, the car's loud enough. It drowns out every
I know.
all the other rattles.
I remember the first time we got in, and I was like,
damn, this car's loud.
this car's really loud. And you were like, and then we realized it's because normally you have like an engine sound to drown out most of it.
It's just loud.
I know, but let me finish. You are not letting me finish today, sir. Anyways, no, like, it's loud, but it's also because you don't have the road engine or the engine noise to drown out some of it. So then, like, because I get in, like, ice cars, and I'm like, I don't hear some of the things. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But yeah, then the first time we got in this car after driving RC forever, we were like, oh my
This is what luxury feels like. This is nice. This is what I've been missing all my life. Jesus Christ.
Are you keeping up okay?
Yeah. I'm so excited to see what this Cybertruck's going to be like. If this is what...
I know. By the way, I think you're wrong on that one house, and you said it was just the exposed exterior before they did the stucco.
Oh, you think that's the
I
siding?
think that is. So I would like to.
No, we can take the afternoon and burn a battery over there.
Yeah. Well, you can. I got to start cooking.
Yeah, no, that's fine. They give our friends and us something to do. Do a reconnaissance mission.
Or just do it on the way home. God, my hands are so sweaty.
It's kind of humid today.
If it was colder, it would snow.
I know. Maybe that's why the weather forecast was calling for snow.
Here or? On the passes?
Up north and
Yeah. Yeah, 11, we're supposed to get snow now. Just don't have the truck yet.
Oh, yeah.
I think Pullman's supposed to get snow too. Can you imagine this hill in this ice storms? Not nice storms.
This hill's fun because you basically are doing a slow descent the whole time.
Mm-hmm. I didn't realize we had such a big population of Greek Orthodox.
In this area?
Yeah.
Like Jewish people?
No, Greek.
Oh. What's Greek Orthodox?
Literally what it sounds like. They have their own branch of, like, kind of Christianity, but it's an Orthodox Greek religion.
Got it.
Similar to Catholicism, I believe. Like, they still have the saints and things like that. Kind of like Russian Orthodox. Like, it's slightly different.
Sure.
Got all these okay?
Yeah.
Alright, needs to be in the left lane this time, going into the roundabout.
Correct. I always get those mixed up too.
Because they're opposite. Alright. Good. Good wait. Excellent. You can start going because we have 2 lanes. Felt like it cut that corner a little bit.
A little bit.
If there was a bicycle, it would have clipped it.
Okay, we're in the correct lane.
Yeah.
It's a good start.
It always starts this way, and then at the very last second, oh no! Although the last time it did have a flawless drive, because it did.
No, is it signaling wrong?
Yep.
Okay, signaling incorrectly to get in the right lane where you would see it's not the right way to be. We need to be in this left lane. Manual driving, because, fuck it.
Not today, Jesus.
Because, fuck it.
I'm gonna start saying that now. Not today, Jesus. Oh, piss off our Christian viewers. It's not today, Satan.
God, I'm sure between X and YouTube, I really don't care at this point. If you do like the content, just be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and leave a nice comment. Otherwise, I'll delete it.
Only we get to make the mean comments.
Otherwise, I'll delete it.
Only we get to act like the old puppets from the Muppets.
Jesus.
You know, the cranky old
Yes,
ones?
I know.
Yeah. Only us.
The hecklers.
Yes, that's the word. That is my favorite Christmas movie, by the way. It's a Muppet Christmas Carol.
It's one of my favorite cartoons.
I think it's one of my favorite movies anyways,
Yeah.
but Christmas movie for sure. You're not Charles Dickens. I know the story like the back of my hand.
All right.
Oh, yeah?
Generally speaking, it makes a hard time making this left to the right.
Because it stops way back here. So there's
Because
no one
it
coming right.
makes
I cannot
doggone sci-fi
see left. So we're
uncomfortable.
going. Because I couldn't see left. I have to trust that it sees what
And
it's
then this is where it usually makes you uncomfortable right here on how it takes this right-hand turn.
No, it usually does that over.
You've taken over a couple of times here. I looked back and
Well, that's
passed it.
because, it's because it goes too fast into the turn.
Got it.
Yeah. No.
Well, like, comment, subscribe. Bye.